In this video, I'll be showing you how you can live stream on YouTube 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Coming up. Hello there, my name is NickNyxson, and on this channel we're doing everything online business, including of course YouTube tutorials and bunch of different stuff. And if you're new here, please consider subscribing. You are gonna learn a lot on this channel. So in this video, as I said, we'll be learning everything about live streaming 24/7 on YouTube. This may sound something very difficult or something outrageous to do, but actually it is a very good way to earn subscribers if you have a very specific type of channel. Probably you've seen on YouTube bunch of different channels, like mainly music channel, that stream 24/7 videos, like the music videos and everything, looping different music and just non-stop playing their live stream. And you probably ask yourselves how they are doing that. It's actually far easier than you thought, but we're gonna go get deep into it. So you have two ways actually to live stream 24/7. It's of course from your own personal computer, like streaming anything else using OBS, XSplit, or whatever software you use, and just letting it run 24/7, which is a simpler thing to do at first, but actually it's not very practical. And second option is a usage of something called VPS, or virtual private server, which is actually renting someone's computer actually to run your own software. There are a lot of VPS service providers that are giving you the service with the Windows installed on them that you could just remotely run from anywhere in the world. But in many cases, they are not really good for streaming 24/7 because they lack the sufficient power that is needed for streaming for that long. For that reason, you need actually a computer at a VPS that have graphics card in it. For that reason, what I found on internet when I was scouring everything, what I found that the best option to actually run 24/7 live stream is using a service called OBubble. OBubble is the service that is actually providing you everything you need for 24/7 live stream, and it is built around this one. As you can see, like a bunch of music channels are using OBubble service to run their 24/7 live stream. What you can do, let's go to the service and choose whatever the option that you want for yourself. Of course, it is not free. Forget about 24/7 free live streaming because it is very costly. I repeat, you will be able to find VPSs that are actually free, that way you can run your stream, but they will lack power, and for that reason these streams will be extremely laggy, and the last thing you want to do with your stream to have it laggy and unable to basically watch. So for that reason, this service is providing quite a few of choices, which is gold, diamond, sapphire, and platinum. Full disclaimer here, I'm in no way, shape, or form affiliated with OBubble. I just found this service and I just wanted to tell you because I'm pretty sure a lot of you have tried to search how to live stream on 24/7, and there are a bunch of nonsense videos that are not actually explaining how you actually do that. So in your case, if you want to start from like very beginning, I would suggest you choosing Sapphire plan, which gives you 720p live streaming 24/7 at 30 frames per second, which is great for the music channels right there who want to loop their music radio and music channels for really easy install. Basically here, as you can see, the price here is $39.99. it's a $40 per month. It is not as expensive as you might think because this thing is running 24/7. If you leave your computer 24/7, I'm pretty sure that only electricity bill will be way more than that. So running it 24/7 is actually pretty good. So basically all you need to do is go to the obubble.com and just purchase their VPS. I think you need to wait for a few weeks actually for them to set up a server for you. But what's great about OBubble is that they actually provide you with a service that have installed a graphics card on them, which actually boosts the power of your stream. Well, that's basically it. All you need to do to run 24/7 live stream is actually to have a virtual private server, in this case OBubble server, to run 24/7, and you just go install the OBS there, because it's like normal computer, like only remotely controlled. Upload all your media that you want and just stream 24/7 without any problem, because they have like 99% uptime guarantee. Like this 1% is not the thing to worry about, and you will have your live stream running 24/7, generating you a lot of income. So I hope you like this video. Well, drop a like if you did, and consider subscribing if you're a new one, and I will see you in the next video. See ya.